Okay, so I'm back. Sorry, I had an interruption in the live stream. I had issues with the microphone. Then I had issues with the connection of the internet. So, anyways, while I was gone, I was noticing the chart on my phone there. We did come down and fill this limit order for the 1,000% right here, which is 10% on 100x is 1,000%. And the bottom of this candle right here filled. If we go to the bottom of it right here, I already tagged it. It's 19,862 from 22,070 is exactly 10%, which would be 1,000%. So this is complete. So we'll move on now. This has been completed. Uh, I expect this to continue to go down, but we'll see what happens from here. So thank you, and hopefully this gains some attention. And you go back and view my previous videos where I explained that I was waiting for an entry right here, basically, and this came through. And when it busted through this with this big red candle right here, we entered right here. The limit order got hit. We ended up writing it all the way down to this right here, exactly on point, 1,000% from entry, right on point. The bottom of the candle, even it's lined up already. So bottom of the wick right there. So yeah, let's see what happened on the calculator. Let's calculate this up for you so we can give you an example of how this would have turned out had somebody taken it or had it been a different situation. So we'll go with 500 because that was the entry price. That it could be whatever you want depending on how much you can afford. So 500 times 1,000% at close. It's not going to calculate. You're not going to know what the fees are or anything like that. It's not really that much. It's maybe a few $100 or whatever. But so $1,000 or 1,000%, 500 times 1,000 is 500 times 1,000. Okay. It, no, I'm sorry. I keep forgetting this. Keyboard keeps messing up over here. Times 1,000%. I keep hitting the thing over here on mine, and it keeps messing up. So I have to use the mouse at the same time for some reason. So yeah. So the price, your profit down here is $5,000. And then when you close out, you also get your 500 that you put in. So you're at 55. Before you pay whatever it is to close fee or whatever. But this wasn't a very long trade. It only took the span of like not most of the day, but whatever. Like it wasn't that long, honestly. So I mean, it depends on the trades too. The longer the trade takes on, I guess, for leverage trading, the more you got to pay and stuff like that. So. This would have been a golden goose egg, a 5, 6 star golden goose egg short trade. Um, yeah, just imagine. I mean, you get in, you make an easy 5 grand off $500. By just depicting patterns and playing the patterns according to how you see them. So, anyways, like I said, we're gonna give this a check mark approval, a big old check mark for approval, and then we're gonna go ahead and end this. We're gonna probably just clear out the chart, and we're gonna start fresh with a different something different. We're just gonna literally clean the chart. Actually, I'll do it right now. We'll go ahead and clean the chart right now since we're already completed that. But don't forget too, before anything else, I was also saying the BART pattern. Don't forget the BART pattern. Do you remember the BART pattern? Okay, good. I'm glad that you do because I think it still has some room to go, and that's why I say I will take and re-enter somewhere in this range right here with a tight stop loss and then re-enter if I get stopped out, so forth. It's dependent on a lot of things, but yeah. So yeah, feel very good about that check mark being back there in the background. There we go. All right. Have a good day. Bye.